makeup can feel overwhelming for beginners. From endless tutorials to influencers showing off collections that look like beauty store shelves, it often feels like you need 50 different products just to get started. But here's the truth. You don't need a huge vanity or complicated techniques to look great. What you need are a few powerful tools. These basics will completely change how you look, feel, and carry yourself, without draining your wallet or filling your drawer with products you'll never use. Why beginners struggle with makeup? Many beginners dive headfirst into the beauty world and immediately get lost. They buy huge palettes, every shade of lipstick, and foundation in 3 different finishes, thinking more products equal better results. The problem is this approach causes stress, confusion, and frustration. Most of the time, half of those items are barely touched. Makeup should feel fun, not overwhelming. By focusing on transformation instead of quantity, beginners can unlock their glow without wasting time or money. The 5 power basics. Every beginner needs one. The even skin tool. Your skin is your canvas. Without an even base, everything else struggles to shine. This doesn't mean a full coverage foundation is mandatory. A tinted moisturizer, BB cream, or stick foundation can even out your tone while keeping you natural and fresh. Think of it like a real-life filter that smooths your skin in seconds. With just one product, your entire face instantly looks more polished and ready for anything. 2. The Dimension Stick. Flatness is the enemy of expression, and that's where this tool comes in. A cream blush or bronzer stick instantly brings dimension and warmth back to your face. The beauty of this product is versatility. You can swipe it on your cheeks, blend it onto your eyelids, or even touch it on your lips. It's quick, easy, and saves you from juggling multiple powders and brushes. In seconds, your face goes from dull to radiant, alive, and glowing. The Brow Shaper. Brows may only take up a small portion of your face, but they hold enormous power. The shape, thickness, and definition of your brows control your overall expression. One simple gel or pencil can completely change your look. With just a few strokes, you create balance, symmetry, and definition that make your face look more structured. Forget about endless brow kits with 20 shades. This one tool is all you need for instant results. 4. The Lifter. Nothing wakes up a face like lifted lashes. Mascara, or even a simple lash curler, can do what no other product can. Open up your eyes, make you look awake, and add instant confidence. A single coat of mascara frames your entire look without requiring any skill or extra effort. It's the ultimate glow-up shortcut. 1 minute you're tired and dull. The next you look energized, confident, and ready for the day. 5. The Confidence Stamp. Finally, no makeup routine feels complete without a lip product. This is your stamp of confidence, the final touch that sets your mood. Whether it's a tinted balm for a soft everyday look, a glossy finish for a playful vibe, or a bold matte for a statement, your lip product defines how you present yourself. It's not just makeup, it's personality in a swipe. Putting it all together. When you bring these 5 basics into one routine, the transformation is effortless yet powerful. Start with your even skin product, add a swipe of blush or bronzer stick, shape your brows, lift your lashes, and finish with your chosen lip product. In just 5 moves, you'll see a dramatic change. No contour maps, no complicated blending, no frustration. This is the beauty of keeping things simple. It gives you 80% of the glow with only 20% of the effort. The real secret of makeup basics. At the end of the day, makeup isn't about having every product on the shelf. It's about choosing the right essentials that make you feel confident and excited to experiment. Once you master these 5 basics, everything else becomes optional. Suddenly, makeup transforms from a stressful process into something enjoyable, creative, and personal. With the right tools, you can start small, grow your confidence, and have fun along the way. If this guide saved you from wasting money on unnecessary products, show some love and hit that like button. And if you want me to share exact beginner-friendly products that actually work and are worth every penny, subscribe now. Your glow-up starts simple, and it starts here.